Hello and welcome to Osaka famous spot in Japan. Every Sunday I will introduce a famous spot of Osaka in English. I'm your professor Mr. Doi and I'm making this video for my English study. If my pronunciation is unclear, please refer to the script in this video description. Today I will talk to you about Osaka Science Museum. The Osaka Science Museum is located in Nakanoshima, Osaka. It opened in 1989 and it is a popular spot for learning about science. The museum focuses on the space and energy and has many interactive exhibits and fun for both children and adults. There are about 200 displays where visitors can touch and learn. One of the highlights is its large planetarium, one of the biggest in Japan. The dome is 26.5 meters wide and it uses advanced technology to show realistic stars and space scenes. The planetarium offers seasonal star explanations and special programs that inspire visitors to learn about the universe. Recently, the museum added AI-powered explanations to make the shows easier to understand. The museum also works with local schools to support science education in the area. As the 2025 Osaka Kansai Expo approaches, the museum is planning related events and special exhibits, bringing even more attention to science. The museum is easy to access, just a short walk from the Watanabebashi station on the Keihan Nakanoshima line or Higobashi station on the Osaka Metro Yodobashi line. The Osaka Science Museum is a great place to learn and have fun and highly recommended when visiting Osaka. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.